Won't take it. Whatever it is. God, and it don't like the feel of that hook. Yep, he didn't like the feel of that hook, y'all. There you go. Didn't like the feel of that hook. He realized he was caught and he just gave in. Perfect timing, baby. You see that? Everybody good now. Yeah, that's how I like to catch ya. Oh, that's a monster brim. Look at that. Woohoo, I like them. Better yet, I love them. I ain't catching the keep today, y'all. Two on. 2 for 1, y'all. That's the way I like to catch them. Right in the lip. And he hit hooked all in the throat too. I don't know yet. Got him right. Come back. I knew you had it. Put some slack on that line. Yeah, my GoPro battery started going dead, so I turned it off. And that's when this big fella decided to bite. Another one, y'all. There's another one. Look at his head with that little light spot on it there. Look at that. The camera don't do it no justice, y'all. Put it in my hand. You see how big he is? Big boy.